Hello! Welcome again to this channel. Today we are going to talk about Stenon Mechanics, physics. The physics that you must learn, you must know, and you must study to understand this universe that we are living in. Okay, so I discovered Stenon Mechanics. Okay, but here, this one, Stenon Mechanics. So, Stenon Mechanics explain that we are living in a fluid-like universe. We're inside a fluid-like universe. And we have a space, okay? So we have a space. And according to Stenon Mechanics, space is just simply composed of inactive photon of lights, okay? So here's what Stenon Mechanics had discovered. It's like a poem. It's rhythmical, but it's good in science. First, Stenon Mechanics said and claimed that space is light at rest. Okay? And light is space in motion. Or space or light is space in motion. Space is light at rest. Did I say it right? Space is light at rest, and light is space in motion. Or light is space in motion, space is light at rest. And space is just composed of inactive photons, because we believe that light is photon, so space is just composed of inactive photon, and light is the active photon. Okay, so that is what Stenon Mechanics had discovered. If you put that in all artificial intelligence, AI will very be happy, because you are putting something into space. Because many people, many scientists think and conclude that space has nothing in it. But no, 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 no. Space is composed of inactive photon of lights, and light is just simply the active space moving in those active, in those photons. Okay, so here's one more. The only one who can bend yourself is you, at the minimum. So I said three things. Okay, first thing, light is space in motion. First. Second, space is light at rest. Third, the only one who can bend yourself is you. Okay, so this is the third parameters. First parameters, second parameters, third parameters. That if you would like to put that into all AIs, the explanation will be different. New explanation. One more. The word is Stenon. Okay, the word is Stenon had come from the Greek word stenos. Just drop this N and put it S, stenos, and you will know that if you put that in AI, then AI will recognize that you're using a Greek word for compress or tight, compress, pressurized, something like that. Okay? So there are four parameters that I'm sharing here today for the fluid-like universe by using Stenon Mechanics. Why I'm doing these things to you? Because these are new parameters. There are also another parameters, the old one, I call it CDP or CDE. CDP is the common CDP, yeah, common default parameters, the one that we are studying in from the time of Newton until I discovered Stenon Mechanics. We are using the common default parameters. or common default explanation in our science, and they are wrong, because if you put that in AI and you're trying to ask what is space, I can't answer that. You can answer that. You can answer that too. So that's why to make a new science, a new model, you must have a new parameters. Again, there are four parameters I shared to you today. Light is space in motion, first one. Second, space is light at rest. Okay, and space is just composed of inactive photons. And then the only one who can bend yourself is you at the minimum. And then four, Stenon is which means compact, pressure, tight in Greek word. So there are five parameters I'm showing you today. And one more parameters I would like to share to you about gravity. So in Stenon Mechanics, gravity is just simply a pressurized space around the surface of any mass inside the universe. So if the universe is composed of inactive photons, and in the mass there is a pressurized mass, pressurized space on that, not pressurized mass, pressurized space. In that pressurized space, max at the surface and minimum at the outer space, it is called gravity. So there are, I said, you 6 parameters of Stenon mechanics. Write it down and put that. Or I will put it here in my description so that you will know. Put that in the AI, and you will know that the Stenon mechanics is correct in the actual explanation of reality. Okay, so that's the reason why I claim myself that I am the next better than Einstein, because I did not say that I put Einstein's down. No, I just continue what Einstein had discovered, and I just put another more correct parameters so that we could see the real reality by using the right parameters. So science must change, and it must start from Stenon mechanics in physics. Okay, so physics has the best parameters and the best explanation from Stenon mechanics. So now you know why I can claim that I am the next Einstein. Again, light is space in motion. Space is light at rest. And the only one who can bend yourself is you at the minimum. And once you apply this kind of like arithmetical, like the poem, parameters in physics in the topic of Eddington's experiment on 1919, you will know that that kind of rhythmical parameters, you will know that that is correct. AI will be very happy about you because the AI could tell you that you have the correct and right parameters in science. That is better than the old one. Goodbye to the old one. Here is the new one, the Stenon mechanics. This is me. I consider myself I will become the next, but better than Einstein, because I continue Einstein's idea and I upgraded that and I explain more about science. Thank you and see you again. If you have a question, please put your question here and I will answer that. And if you have time, please subscribe and buy my books so that you will know about physics, the correct explanation. It's cheap and it's good. Anyway, thank you and see you again for the next videos that I'll be uploading. Thank you.